Debbie is 57 and trying the Probiotics Ultimate Youth Kit for the first time as part of her morning routine. She begins with instant resurfacing pads, which help to exfoliate the skin and reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Next, she uses vitamin C serum as a powerful antioxidant that stimulates collagen production and brightens the skin. Next, she uses the Anti-Pollution Plus Firming Treatment. This is the shining star of our Ultimate Youth Kit. It instantly helps to firm and tighten the skin in any area where it's sagging, especially on the neck. It offers an instant lift and revitalizes your skin with a beautiful glow. She then applies our ultra-rich brightening cream, which is a luxurious moisturizer that penetrates deep in the skin to offer ultimate hydration and leave you feeling soft and smooth for hours. And last, she tops it off with our soothing and revitalizing eye cream, which not only soothes and hydrates the skin, but also stimulates collagen production and cell turnover without the hassle or irritation of retinol. Our probiotic products help to activate the body's natural response to renew its own skin, to reveal the truer you inside, and help you shine from without.